Hey, welcome to the show. Here we have Jurassic World Dino Trackers. This is the Atrociraptor. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. But yeah, this is looking sharp. Look at all the cool details in this guy right here. I think you can press this button, raises and lowers its head. Then you'll have a chip right here. I'm going to review that toward the end of the video. I'll show you how that works on the app. The arms can revolve right here and swivel, and your legs. This is what the back of the box looks like, and they talk about scanning that with the Jurassic World Play app. I think that's what it is, Jurassic World Play. So yeah, we're gonna make sure you take a look at the end of this video, so we'll show you how that works. But all right, let's do a quick unboxing and look at all the details in this raptor here. You can open and close its jaw right here. Also, there's a button on the back that lowers and raises its head. And then the arms, you can rotate like this or bring them out to the side. So that's really nice on that part. Also, the legs will have a rotation like that. And then you can set this on your desk. The back of the box looks like this. And they also have a special app on your phone. If you go to your phone and use the Google, so on the back of your, so you can also use an app. So you can also use an app with this dinosaur. Just go over to Google and search for Jurassic Park. So you can also use an app with this. So on the back of this dinosaur, you'll see that it has a little chip. And what you do is you'll scan that with your phone using the Jurassic World Play app. Yeah. So on the back of this dinosaur, they also have a little chip right there. And all you have to do is scan that with your app. It's the Jurassic World Play. And then it gives you the virtual dinosaur of the one you just scanned, and you can do all kinds of cool stuff with that. I am just like, golly, look at all the detail in this. Look at all the detail in this raptor here. Look at all the detail in this raptor. I'm liking it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you hit that likey button down below. Check out our other videos and have a great day. Adios. Goodbye.